fire season.
Time now 6:48. How are we looking drought-wise here in North Alabama, Rob?
We're doing okay. And you remember back to about 2-3 weeks ago, I said it's getting a little dry. We could use a little bit of rain. And kind of famous last words, right? It's been a soaker going back over the last 10 weeks, 10 days or 2 weeks. And just seeing clear conditions right now over North Alabama on the latest U.S. drought monitor. That yellow you see off to the northeast, that is abnormally dry conditions. But we are seeing some drought conditions as you get closer to the Carolinas and into parts of Florida. But there you go. That is that western drought. It's not just California. You'll notice a big portion of Nevada in the highest level of drought, that exceptional drought level, and it even goes into Arizona, New Mexico, into Idaho, Oregon, Washington. It goes all the way to about the Dakotas, Minnesota, and Iowa. So this is a big impact on the western United States, and it'll continue to have, of course, impacts on crops that come from the West Coast. Rainfall estimates since last Monday, so over the last 7 days, you'll notice that the yellows and oranges on the map, that indicates 3, 4, 5 inches of rainfall. And then as you approach the state line into Mississippi, closer to 7, 8, 9 inches of rain. So we've done well over the last week, and we could use a dry streak here in North Alabama after all of that. Low to mid 70s right now, and we are expecting dry conditions today and really through most of this work week. You'll notice clear and dry right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Just a lingering decaying line of storms really falling apart just in the last hour over top of Birmingham. And that's pretty much it about it right now for North Alabama. One of the quietest starts for North Alabama in the last week. Forecast wind gusts today, and the big story with this, these are north and northwest winds. So that's going to help to pull in that drier air, help to drop the humidity over the next 24 to 48 hours. Still going to be a little muggy and hot this afternoon, but we're dropping those highs down to the mid 80s by Wednesday, and we're also dropping the humidity. So much more comfortable by the middle of the work week, but by Friday and into this weekend, we're going to start to see that moisture return and also those rain chances. Future radar and satellite, 8 o'clock this morning, still seeing some of those lingering low clouds and fog. That'll clear out with just some fair weather clouds building up in the afternoon heat. And the cold front that's on top of us right now, it's still close enough that by 4 o'clock, we have an isolated pop-up shower developing right by Fort Payne and off to the southeast. And anything that does develop here through the late afternoon hours into this evening should get nudged off to the south and east. So by far the best chances closer to DeKalb County, and that's about it. Stay mostly clear and dry through the overnight hours. Just some fair weather clouds into your Tuesday evening. Looks like the trash panda should be fine out at Toyota Field as they start that new homestand tomorrow, and staying mostly dry through those first 4 games this work week. And then we'll have to keep a close eye on those rain chances by Saturday and Sunday. And one of the big areas that we're watching is down in the Gulf of Mexico. The National Hurricane Center at the latest update, and they'll actually have a new update coming down in a few hours. They give it a 50% chance for tropical development. It's just a bunch of thunderstorms right now, slowly starting to kind of get a little bit of rotation with it. But this could become a named tropical system again later this week. And by Thursday and into Friday, you'll notice that future radar actually has this kind of moving right in the direction of Louisiana. And heading into Saturday and into Sunday and Monday, this tropical moisture could combine with a cold front, bringing some heavier rain chances to North Alabama. Again, it is still a week plus out, so a lot could change between now and then. Just something we'll have to monitor closely.
Absolutely. Okay.